The tip is that tie wire is one of our most useful materials. It can be used to solve a variety of problems in the field. I have used tie wire to hold plastic in place, and I have used it as nails and staples, and even to fix zippers. I've also used tie wire spun together to hold GFRC, which is glass fiber reinforced concrete, panels in place prior to grouting them. Tie wire is a very versatile material. Here are a few tricks as well that might even earn you a couple of bucks at lunchtime if played right. Can you put a hole in a piece of tie wire? Yes, you can. Here's a quick way to tighten up wire.
Until I've got this little loop. See the loop?
Make nails and staples? You bet. Has a cotter pin? Yes. The list goes on and on and on. Tie wire. Remember, it can be your best friend. A wonderful tip and some useful tricks to have some tie wire fun. I'm Richard. Thanks again.